Hi guys, so this is a video about the highest common factor and lowest common multiple. So highest common factor, first of all, can often be referred to as HCF. So it could be referred to that in exam papers, for example, or in textbooks or other places that you might see it. Same with lowest common multiple, it can be referred to as LCM. So HCF and LCM, that's what they both stand for. So the HCF is highest common factor. It's the highest number that is a factor of both. Okay, so if we look at the first at the example here for highest common factor, find the HCF of 24 and 36. So really what we're looking for is we're looking for the highest number that is a factor of both numbers. So what you have to do is you have to list the factors of 24, then list the factors of 36, and then see which is the highest one that's in both of those lists. So I'm going to start with 24, and I'm going to list them in pairs like this because it's an easy way of knowing that you have all of the factors. So the first one always, and this goes for any number that you have up here, 1 the number itself will always be factors of it. So 1 multiplied by 24. So 1 and 24 are both factors. Then we try 2. So is 2 a factor of 24? Well, 2 can be multiplied by 12 to give 24. Then we try 3. Well, 3 could be multiplied by 8 to give 24. Then we try 4 next, so 4 is as well. So it just so happens that the first 1, 2, 3 and 4 are all factors of 24. So 4 times 6 is 24. Then we try 5, but 5 doesn't multiply by anything to give 24. So then we'll move on to 6. But you can see there 6 is already in the list here. So therefore, because you've gotten that far, you know that there are no more factors. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24 are all factors of 24. 36 then, 1 and 36, so 1 and the number itself are always factors. Try 2 then, so 2 multiplied by 18 would give you 36. 3 multiplied by 12 would give you 36. 4 multiplied by 9 would give you 36. 5 won't multiply by anything to give you 36. 6 will multiply by itself by 6 to give you 36. And then that's as far as we can go. So what I'm looking for here is I'm looking for the highest number that is in both lists. So if you look down through all of them, you should be able to see that 12 is the highest number there that's in both of them. So HCF equals 12. So LCM then, the lowest common multiple, I'm going to do one example on that. So that's the lowest number, which is a multiple of both numbers, and you need to know what multiple is. So look back if you can't remember. So 6 and 7. So I'm going to list the multiples of 6 and I'm going to list the multiples of 7, and we're going to look for the lowest one this time because it's lowest that's in both of these lists. So 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, and so on. Multiples of 7 then are 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 48, no, 49, 56. So this time we're looking for the lowest number that's in both lists. So if you look through them there, 42 is going to be the lowest one that's in both lists. So therefore LCM of 6 and 7 is 42. So here's 2 more questions then. So find the HCF of 18 and 30, and then find the LCM of 8 and 6. So if you want to pause the video and just try those now, and then play it on, and I'll go through the answers. So first one, 18 and 30. Okay, so factors of 18. So we could have 1 times 18, we could have 2 times 9, we could have 3 times 6, and then 4 won't divide into it, 5 won't divide into it, and then 6 we're back to 6. So we can't go any further. So there's 6 different factors of 18. 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, and 18. Factors of 30 then, we could have 1 times 30, we could have 2 times 15, 3 times 10, 4 won't divide into it. Then we try 5, so 5 times 6. So we can see there that the highest one this time, that is in both lists, is 6. So the HCF of 18 and 30 is 6. Question 2 then, LCM. So 8 and 6, I'm going to list out multiples of 8 and then multiples of 6. So by multiples of 8, we're just talking about our 8 times tables. So 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, and so on. Multiples of 6 are 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, and so on. So if we look for the lowest one this time again, just be careful. In both of our lists, it is 24. So the LCM of 8 and 6 is 24.